Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of cryptocurrency transfers. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to send Bitcoin from XMO to your Coinbase wallet in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this guide is designed to make the process straightforward and hassle-free. Let's get started. First things first, before we jump in, make sure you have a few essentials ready. You'll need an active account on XMO with some Bitcoin in your wallet, and a Coinbase wallet set up to receive it. Also, double-check that you're using the correct network. Typically, Bitcoin transactions use the BTC network, so ensure both platforms are aligned to avoid any issues. Step 1. Log into your XMO account. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets, or Balances, section and find your Bitcoin holdings. Click on the Withdraw or Send option next to Bitcoin. This is where the magic happens. Step 2. Enter the wallet address from your Coinbase app. Open your Coinbase wallet, go to the Receive section, and copy the Bitcoin address. Paste it carefully into the XMO withdrawal form. Remember, crypto addresses are case-sensitive, so no typos allowed. Step 3. Specify the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. Be mindful of any minimum withdrawal limits and network fees, which can vary based on market conditions in 2025. It's always smart to leave a little extra for fees to ensure the transaction goes through smoothly. Step 4. Review and confirm your transaction. XMO will show you a summary, including the estimated arrival time and fees. Double-check everything, then hit confirm. You'll likely need to complete a two-factor authentication for security. Once the transaction is initiated, it might take a few minutes to an hour to appear in your Coinbase wallet, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your transaction status using a blockchain explorer like blockchain.com. And there you have it, Bitcoin successfully transferred. Always stay safe in the crypto space by using hardware wallets for long-term storage and keeping your accounts secure. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.